Hi you guys, I am back with another vlog. I just got to the gym. I feel like every time I start a vlog, I'm in the car and I'm on my way to the gym. But I actually just finished working. I had a lash client. It's actually 12:01, so it is noontime, and I'm about to go in here and do legs. I always say I'm gonna try to record some of it, but I'm actually really gonna try today. Not like a full routine though. I'm not gonna record talking there because everywhere there's like music playing. So I'm gonna go do that, bring you guys with me, and then I'll be back when I'm done. I just took my pre-workout. Per usual, I took this one today. My favorite. And yeah. So guess who's at her favorite store? So I'm really here just for storage bins because this past year I've accumulated like just so many things and objects and stuff that I use on a day-to-day or weekly basis, but I don't have storage anymore for them. So I need to get like some storage bins, just some stuff to make it more organized in my house and make it easier to access things and then put them back up. You guys know I love purple. Let's see. I think, and like this past, I think like last week I ordered some organizers for my bathroom to even put like in the drawers and stuff. I've just been on an organizing kick because I just have too much stuff at this point. Okay, I don't really know how much I need, so I'm just gonna start with this. I have this, which I know I definitely need for like bands, just really the most miscellaneous things you could think of. This probably to put like bathroom stuff, hairsprays, hair products, I don't know, personal things, and put it in like the drawers organized and not just like laying everywhere falling. So yeah, and then this is for like, definitely need this huge thing. So I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna just get this stuff for now and then come back for what I need later. Okay, I am home and I actually did pretty good. I got a fruit basket because I really need one. Like all I do is just sit like the fruit on the counter because I don't have a place. So I got this. I got pretty much everything that I needed and nothing I didn't. I've been here for 3 years and I'm just now getting a napkin roll holder. I got some margarita glasses because I don't have no like glasses for drinking. And I got the bins I showed you guys. I needed more light bulbs and just 2 little plastic bowls. I have pink plastic bowls, not plastic. I have pink bowls that are like cement, whatever you want to call it, the hard ones, but they were out, so I just grabbed these 2 because I'd be needing more bowls. And yeah, that's all I got. I didn't get nothing that was not necessary, so I'm very proud of myself because every time I go to Target, I go up. So yeah, see, this makes me happy. So dumbbells are right here. I have so much like waist trainers, sweatsuits, ankle weights, extra pre-workouts. Like, look at all these bands. All these bands were literally like in a pile on the floor. So now I have everything organized and I'm gonna put this entire thing in the closet. It will be in a corner, nice and neat. And as I get more stuff, I can just put it. So this is what I mean by like, I needed to organize. So here's another example of me on my organization kick right now. I got this from Amazon last week to, you know, make everything nice and pretty. And yes, I know you guys, I'm gonna have a makeup tutorial really soon. I also got these to put inside the drawers and to put like, you know, combs, like hair ties, you know, hair accessories, like, listen, because if not, everything's just in the drawer, like sliding all over the place, being a hot mess. And I'm finally over it, so I'm trying to get my life all the way together. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys these 2 since we're talking about it. I ordered these from Amazon as well, because when you have a kid, and like even myself, like a lot of things come in boxes and it's so annoying. It clogs up the, you know, the cabinet so fast. So I got these from Amazon and I really love them. These are like her granola bars, Pop-Tarts, her little gummies. This is my oatmeal. I do like the packets still. I'm gonna fill this with cereal and I still need to fill these as well. But yeah, I really love these and I'm gonna get more. I need like 2 more this size, and maybe if they have like some that are a little bit wider, to put some that are a little bit more bulkier. But I like these a lot, and if you guys want, I can link everything in the description box for you. And you just pop it open, have like a little suction thing, and then grab what you need. Okay, so since I'm here talking about organization and stuff, so while I'm like cleaning up, I need to order a shoe rack for my hallway because I'm getting too many shoes and I don't have enough places to put them and starting to look messy. So I'm about to hop on Amazon right now and try to find me a shoe rack to order. So these are the options they're giving me. I don't need like a really big one. This is kind of cute. It looks sleek and it's silver, so it matches my house because again, it's going to be an entryway. It says it can be there. I need to see pictures. You know, people on Amazon, they finna give you all the tea with their reviews. Let's see. I think so. This is cute. I like this. It's very thin. And all the positive, I mean, not all the positives, all the reviews, oh, does not line up. Okay. I feel like the dark one's getting a lot. Uh-oh, who's calling me? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. 20 bucks. We'll see how this goes. You guys miss Louie? He's still here. Getting on my nerves every day. Getting big and fat. Okay, so I'm just gonna make some oatmeal. I've been having oatmeal, you guys. Like, I've been having a bowl a day with some bananas, honey. This is a half a pack from yesterday. I do a pack and a half. And it's been pretty lit. Oh my god, you guys, I'm running out of milk. I hope I have enough almond milk. You know the vibes. Oh, I do have enough. Thank God. I had just enough for this last bowl. How funny. And yes, I still use the packet. I like to be very accurate when I measure things. So I don't care how much I cook something or make something. If I can measure it to be exact, I always will. Now I'm just gonna warm this up. Okay, so while that cools down, I'm going to cut up my banana. So when I was like, back when I was gaining and really like trying to put on some weight, I would have a bowl of oatmeal with a whole banana and a big ass tablespoon of peanut butter every single day, 7 days a week. And I'm telling you, the gains was crazy. Lately I've been eating it because yes, gains too, but I'm not really trying to gain right now. I'm kind of just maintaining and, you know, whatever, perfecting everything. But I've been on my kick lately, and definitely during like my leg days and stuff, I want it. This is my oatmeal. And I'm just gonna put, oops. I just washed my counter, so. And I'm not gonna do peanut butter today. I'm just gonna do a whole banana and oatmeal. But back when I was, like when I did it then, I only did one packet. Now I do a packet and a half. So your girl is moving up, okay? So this is still more than enough. And this is my oatmeal. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Your girl's ready to just lay down, relax, and eat my bowl of oatmeal. Pretty much done for the day, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment below your thoughts and what you would like to see next. Bye, you guys.